I have my tripod here, but it's too low. I'm so excited. There's a window here. Only better, but it's really cold. And it's raining. Great. I'm gonna get changed. I ate chocolate last night and I didn't get changed. I went to bed with a dirty top. It's disgusting. I'm gonna get changed. So we have a grumpy t-shirt on. I'm not mad actually. I'm really excited. So I'm actually filming this before my coming back to social media video. Alright, so welcome to my channel. I guess you haven't been here in a while. I haven't even been here for a while. So today we're going to... just waiting for it to dry a bit because I use like detangling stuff. So that's why it's a bit, you know, wet. The color, I don't even know what it is. I dyed it red like a year ago. And yeah, it's a bit of red down here, but up here it's like my natural color. Well, it's wet on this side, you can see it better on this. Not that interesting of a color. My mom always said that to me. Rouge ruby. So it's like ruby red. So let's give it a try. I totally forgot. I did it by myself a year ago. Like I said, it didn't really work that well because my hair is like pretty dark. Okay, I'm going to sacrifice the grumpy t-shirt. A couple of these and maybe a towel I'm willing to sacrifice. We just moved actually. Everything is new. I don't want to ruin something. I'll just ruin my top, whatever. So step one is so blurry, like what even is going on? I think you put the tube in the thing. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm trying to remove all my nail polish. My nails are like in terrible condition. Right, so first step. Make a hole. I'm gonna start with it, just like toothpaste. Look at this. Oh my god, it's going too fast. Shit. Keeps coming out. I wasted more product by doing this than not doing it. Okay. I think oh, it's getting red already. I think I'm not supposed to touch this with my bare hands. No, it's working great actually. I don't know if you can see. Oh, this is amazing. This, I think I just discovered something. I literally, oh, I broke it. I broke the inside of it because this is metal and like toothpaste usually like plastic. No, it's fine. I don't know if I'm supposed to start with the bottom or like the top. I think they start with the top. My hair, horrible. This is so loud. I hope you can hear me with these because it's starting to get red. Oh, it's open. Oh, it broke when it fell down. Like the little tip broke. It's been 10 minutes. I have done nothing, literally. I hate these. These are much better. No idea if you're supposed to start with the roots or like the bottom. That's my phone. And these work on my phone. That's great. Roots first. Got it. I don't have my glasses. I can't exactly put them on with the dye and stuff, so I don't see very well. This looks like spicy mayo. Mackerel. I have no idea if I'm doing things right. I'm not sure I'm supposed to have this much product on my own. I did this last year at the same time around like November. No, we're in December. I'm not sure what to talk about. I haven't filmed in so long. Hopefully by the time this video is out, there's gonna be another like coming back video just to explain why I haven't filmed or posted or anything. But it's something that I've really missed doing. Now I want to focus on it a bit more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should I do my eyebrows? Can I do this? It's basically a brush. Like those little weird hacks where you cut the ends of their hair to like make a brush. It's starting to burn my eyes a little. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows actually. I've never done anything to my eyebrows. Like even when I went blonde, I didn't do my eyebrows because going blonde is like so much work, and like so my hair is like very dark. You can definitely see roots, and I needed to do a lot of touch-ups, and that's so expensive and time consuming. And it was so expensive. So I did it for like barely a year. I went like 3 times, and then I just couldn't keep doing it. I would probably be blonde if I could. It's just so much work, and red doesn't make that much of a difference on like dark hair like mine. If you have like lighter hair and you do this color, it's definitely gonna be visible. But like on me, I need to like bleach it first, and I don't want to. And also I can't. It would be the same problems. Blonde hair would be expensive, and I don't have the skills to do it at home, so it's starting to burn my eyes. Is it supposed to burn your eyes? Starting to look crazy. Do the brush technique. It's really orange. I'm a little bit scared. I mean, it's supposed to be this, and like what I see on my forehead is scaring me a little. It's burning me a little behind my head. I'm not sure that's normal. Usually when I'm like really stressed and I have like anxiety moments in my life, my scalp gets very like delicate. Now we're gonna do this section here. I hope I have enough product, I'm not sure. Since I started wearing contacts, my eyes tend to get dry. So I think I'm crying. I'm gonna open the window. Honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself. I haven't made a mess at all. I don't have my glasses on, maybe it's like disgusting and I can't even see. Alright, so we're just gonna put this little part up. Oh, and focus on this side. It's gonna be a bit easier since I'm right-handed. Whew. No, it's really loud outside. There's definitely not enough product. Last time I did it was like more than enough. My hair hasn't even gotten that much. I mean, it got longer, but then I cut it, so I thought it would be more than enough. No. It's not exactly working. There's like so much product in here. Weather is literally terrible. I went to like Bordeaux, which is like almost the south of France. I mean, pretty much is the south of France. It's west on the west, near the west coast in December. We're in December. I went like a couple of weeks ago, and it was like 15 degrees. I was literally in a tank top, and I come back to Paris, and it's so gray. I don't even know what the sun is. There's just so much product. Why did they make a tiny hole? How am I supposed to get all of it out? So much left. That's why you make a mess at the end. It started so well. Now it's all over the place. I'm gonna redo the bathroom anyways. It's like an old 2000s style bathroom. There's like a huge bathtub in this bathroom for some reason. It's so small. It's a really small bathroom. It is like a huge bathtub. It takes like half of it. I actually love taking baths from time to time, but like it's not possible to have a bathtub. It's like 16 degrees in here. It's so cold. The wind sounds like when the big bad wolf is trying to threaten the little piggies. I'm gonna try to put everything together so they can like do their thing. This is my last try. I think we can clean this up actually. Honestly, I didn't make a mess. It's pretty good. I wanted to do my eyebrows, but like Oh my god. Okay, we're not gonna do that again. My finger almost got stuck in the bottle. So I'm actually gonna go make lunch. It's so dark, seriously, the weather is terrible. Okay. Camera stopped recording because you can't record for more than half an hour and I'm stupid. It's, oh my god, my eyebrows, oh my god. I'm working from home tomorrow, thanks god. What the hell is going on? I think freckles will look good with this hair color. I wonder what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna make lunch, I'm hungry. I hope you didn't miss my videos. They're terrible, I told you. I've always told you that terrible videos. I'm gonna make pasta with smoked salmon, crème fraîche, I don't know how to say that, and a bit of lemon. I'm not sure I'm gonna have the time. It's pretty quick actually. No, it'll be fine. Do you like my eyebrows? Yeah.
T'en as pas mis là au milieu, en bas.
Oh, I'm missing a spot here?
Ouais.
Can I do it?
Ta tête rouge, c'est Halloween.
It's Christmas, actually.
Comme ton pantalon, il est Christmas.
Yeah. With my grumpy top. It's Christmas vibes. I'm gonna eat real quick and go wash my hair. Can you see it? Washed my hair. It's so cold now. It's starting. Oh my god. It's literally crime scene. Waiting for the conditioner to do its thing. Honestly, I'm not feeling it. I still need to like wash it, remove the conditioner and blow dry it and stuff to see how it looks, and then put makeup on and stuff so I can like have a pull together look. I think it's the eyebrows, honestly. It's a bit crooked facing the light. I think I missed a spot here too. I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes for the hair mask to do its thing, and I'm gonna clean up the crime scene. Honestly, now with my glasses on, I can definitely see I made a huge mess, even on my slippers. Looks like I slaughtered someone in here. I am ready. Let's see. Oh. Well, it's soft, so there's that. On the camera, it looks way more red than on my mirror. I managed to remove everything from my. Oh my god, it's so red on camera. It doesn't look that red on the mirror. Wow. Oh my god, it's giving Dua Lipa, which is a good thing. Honestly, it smells great, and it feels very soft. My lips are dry. I love the conditioner. It's pretty good. I mean, the lighting isn't so great. Let's just try to make it more white. Try to make the light a bit more white. Oh. It's definitely red. Okay. I'm gonna use some oil and try to entangle it. And then I'll dry it. I think I kind of like it, especially with the eyebrows. I think this is gonna last for like 2 days because my eyebrows grow so fast. Honestly, I think I like it. Makes me look very, very pale though. Here we are. Just finished blow drying my hair. Twisted it in the back so it curls a little. So apparently I'm missing a few spots here in the back, and yeah, this will come out eventually. Alright, so like I said, my camera seems like it was cut off, so thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Bye!